Here's a SVL97-2, a forestry unit, stock number 1586. This is just like a new one. It's got all your forestry stuff on it. It's got your LOFTNESS cooler up there on top for your hydraulics. Of course, it's got hydraulic disconnect. It's got your cover on the disconnect. It's got almost a new KUBOTA tooth bucket on it with side cutters. It's got your AM, FM, Bluetooth radio. It's got your backup camera. It's got your air conditioning, heat, backup alarm. It is a high flow machine, of course. The 5 line with the 14 plug-in electric with the K-string. It's also got your guard cover on it to protect it in the woods. It's got brand new Q pattern rubber tracks that we put on it. Just put them on it. Other tracks were good and we still got them. It's got your cab guard on top. See right here, it's got all the light guard on top of the cab. You can see right there. It's got your cab guard on it with the lights guard. It's got your rear door guard. See down here. That's a Texas deal, a big deal. Very, very expensive. It's got your depth fluid cover and lock. You can see all the hydraulic guards and covers and all. There's the backup camera. Then it's got your guard on top of the external hydraulic cover. Okay, Jay, go ahead if you want to. I'll cover it to show you when it starts. Very expensive Q pattern tracks on it. It's got all your covers on the front for the hydraulics. Jay, go ahead and put your window down there. That's got your bulletproof glass on it. Big time warranty. It's got 3,000-hour warranty on it through the 28th, the end of 2028. It's got your bulletproof glass on it. This has got all your covers on the auxiliary hydraulics. How many hours, Joe?
374.
374 hours on it. And a very, very expensive bucket on it. Tooth bucket side cutters, severe duty.